We can capture all of these ideas by using a decision tree. A decision tree is a visual way of representing the big ideas in collaboration. It is designed as a number of questions. As you can see, there are 4 questions in the collaboration decision tree. The first relates to whether the students are working in groups or not. The second relates to shared responsibility. The third to substantive decision making. And the last one to the interdependence of the students' work. Considering each of these questions is useful when designing a learning activity. The power of using a decision tree is that it provides a framework for designing learning activities, and in this case, examining opportunities for collaboration. Not all learning activities have each of these levels, but over a period of a year, for example, you should look to include learning activities at all of the levels. For example, there will be times when you will need students to engage in individual work. At times you will want your students to work together to make substantive decisions. There are other times when you will want your students to work together to produce an interdependent product. But sometimes you will just want them to produce individual accounts or reports. It all depends on planned learning outcomes and the needs of your students. You need to bear in mind as you look at the decision tree that the numbering system is a code, not a score. For example, a code 1 merely indicates that students are required to work individually. It is not a value judgment.